case of apparently okay but taking no risks.
Feeling too comfortable for a while, and Verstappen.
Brabham, and Pironi looks to be perfectly all right, and that passing manoeuvre was at the Mirabeau, where left.
Pironi leads. Reutemann second, Jones third, Lafitte fourth, and that is Derek Daly and Jean-Pierre Jarier. And
2 wins this year at South Africa and Brazil, and there goes Prost off, as did Arnoux. My goodness, what about Prix now? That tells you how. And that's Piquet, Carr, and Patrese. Going off, Riccardo Patrese in the Alfa Romeo, and this is.
Wrong for Patrick Tambay, who's lolled with a barrel roll at head height and returned to earth in the form of junk, from which Tambay unbelievable.
And then Lacey is going through on the inside and taking Prost and saves Berger, and that's it. Berger hits Prost, Harding has pulled the race. This is the right-hander just before we.
Barrier either trying to avoid oil or and that's Blundell. My goodness, this could be very dangerous indeed. That is Mark Blundell.
Jos Verstappen was trying, and perhaps a little too hard in the end. Into Raskas, the same corner, but David Coulthard.
Gets away and then it just grabs the car, pulls into the barrier, and that was a fairly substantial thump, and again got a second back.
Speed crash, and it was simply a case of apparently okay but taking no risks.
Yes, that's and Frentzen, I think, into the wall. Lucky they right underneath the brake. There's something down there, softish to hit, and he'll be thinking, what is going on? I've not done anything differently, and I'm into the barriers. And I just hope there's some soft barriers down here, because the car, very good protective barriers. The second impact is the unyielding metal barriers, and I don't know if they hit the third one against the inside barrier.
And Daisy just gets out of the direct lane there, entering. He never even made the effect. She was already on his way to the airport. So, very unusual there. I'd be interested to see what Martin thinks. As long as he hangs up.
As you pop over the top there, and it looked as if his left rear tires down.
Vettel is just 1.5 seconds. Here we go.
how easy it is here to be on a fantastic lap, and then it all goes. Yeah, he's already had an incident long before he got to that point. On the zebra crossing, it was a zebra crossing. Lit up the rear tyres, smacked it straight into the. Jensen's been frustrated, hasn't he?
Look how fast science came up on Verstappen, and then look how quickly this developed after that. It's very quick. The player's problem is the merge. He's going to go for it here, and he can't stop. And he has gone straight on into Brendan Hardy. You can see it. There's a huge amount of debris.
Mansell now very coolly dealing with things. It's a new experience for him to know that he's leading a Grand Prix. Shetland off goes Mansell. I spoke too soon. Mansell lost it in the biggest possible way. That was the race leader.
Nether regions now, that would have been exactly what I said. That would have really, really hurt.
And the safety structure is doing just what they should have done. As Van Buren up completely in this year to come in to Formula Renault 3.5 metre racing.
The left rear looks good. He just lost it, overcorrected, and from that moment on, he's a passenger.
Well, for those of you with very long memories, the incident between Bonifacio and Van Buren, not dissimilar to the one between Piquet and Patrese.
As we see a replay here coming into the swimming pool
This
section.
is Alfonso Kenise, and boy, it's strong coming in, and
That looked like a rookie mistake. Either that or a slow rear.
I'm going for the former. Alfonso Kenise is a big step up.